This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Kubernetes 1.25 release daily burndown meeting. Today, we are at week 12, Thursday, 11th August. And if anyone wants to say anything before the meeting, before we give the updates, if no, we'll just go to the open discussion session. Oh, before that, I just pasted the meeting notes into the chat. So please feel free to register your attendance if you'd like. And for open discussion, I said I will give an update yesterday on the object storage support thing. So this one is an out of tree effort, as we all know, and it didn't being tracked in our release enhancement for sure. But the feature is going to alpha, and they are planning to cut their own release soon. This feature was proposed to be added into the Kubernetes 1.25 major themes, and also the author opted in for a feature blog for our current release, and that's basically the status of this effort. And so far, I think the feature blog would be good if they could make the deadline, but I'm not sure if Kubernetes 1.25 major theme would be a good place for this feature since it's the out of tree effort. I guess we normally don't include out of tree feature into the release major theme, but I'll defer this to release notes team and comms team maybe to make the decision. Any questions before I move forward? If no, let's move to the team updates, enhancements.
Hello.
Hi.
We do not have any more updates apart from what you just said about the out of tree announcement just now.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, any questions for enhancements? If no, let's move to CI signal. Anyone from CI signal gonna give an update? If no, I'll just give the update instead. I checked the release master and release master informing, and it seems like master is all green. And we do have one failure in the master informing, I think, which is the node E2E conformance test, but it's been confirmed not a release blocker. So currently I'll set the status to green. And any questions for CI signal? No, let's just move to bug triage. Marky?
Good morning, afternoon, evening, everybody. Bug triage is currently with the green status. Blocking issues 0, blocking PR 0. Open non-test, we have 11 currently. Priority critical urgent issues is 0. Priority important soon, 6. We have in KK, we have 17 open PRs. That's down 2 from yesterday. Priority critical urgent is remaining at 1. Priority important soon is at 9. That's down 1 from yesterday. And finally, the all open KK issues is 12, including we have another query that shows 11. And that is us. Any questions?
Thank you so much. Looks like the critical urgent PR just got merged. So
beautiful. That happened after. That's awesome.
Nice.
We'll make sure that's reported in tomorrow's numbers.
Cool. Thank you so much. I'll
You're
just
welcome.
keep the number here and we can give it further update tomorrow. Thank you for your update.
Awesome.
Any questions?
Have a good one, everybody.
Yeah, thank you. No, let's move to dogs. Kristen, if you're here.
Yes, hi.
Hi.
So our current status is still yellow. Our branch sync PR is still in review. I'm not sure what the holdup on that is. I'll check with SIG docs. We have one enhancement, 3178, that still has missing docs. They were pinged again yesterday by Ray and no response. So I may follow up on Slack today on that. And we're still at the same stats that we did at yesterday's meeting. 5 docs PRs merged and 33 ready for review. And I'll be reminding the shadows today to start going through those. Yeah.
Thank
So
you
that's our
so
update.
much. Thank you for the updates. I think I also pinned the CAP owner in the Slack channel, but I didn't hear any response regarding this enhancement issue of tables chain. Yeah, I pinned it in the thread in the SIG release docs channel. So I'm not sure if they didn't saw the message yet or not, but we'll see.
Okay.
I do see the author also opting in for the feature blog, and they have the folder PR ready. So I guess it would be easier, like, for put up some documentation if they already have the blog ready.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for the updates. Any questions for docs before we move forward? Thank you, Kristen. Let's move to release notes.
Hi, Cici.
Rodolfo?
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Rodolfo.
Our current status is yellow since the deadline for the major teams PR is soon, is next Tuesday, but we are collecting comments and organizing work for this task. So I think we can do it before the deadline. Also, the release notes PR for Beta 0 was merged yesterday, or today morning, sorry. And we are working on the release notes PR for RC0.
Thank you so much. Any questions for release notes? And I know, like, comms team would love to have the major sims as early as possible. So if you have like the draft PR ready, please feel free to also pin the comms team as well. Thank you.
Okay, we will do it. Thanks.
And let's move to comms. Anna, if you're here, hi.
We're looking green. We're going to be passing on the release blog over to Cece's hand and then everyone else. Then once Cece gives the green light, we can pass that over to the CNCF PR team. And we are currently focusing on ranking those blog posts and then getting those assigned to the shadows for tomorrow so that we can be tracking those and get those to the finish line.
Thank you so much. I didn't receive it yet, but I'll be looking forward to see it today. Thank you.
Coming soon.
Thank you. Take your time. And any questions for comms team? If no, let's move to release branch management. Anyone from release branch management here today? If no, I'll say the status is green, just follow the CI signal. And we just cut our RC0 on Tuesday, so everything looks good. And I pasted the formal announcement in yesterday's updates as well. So that's basically the current status, and we are looking forward to the RC1 cut the coming Tuesday. And our EA is on vacation. For my update, we have most of the major milestones on the coming Tuesday, 16th. And on the 16th is the deadline for major sims complete, and also the deadline for docs complete, and also the major blocks ready to review deadline. And also we plan to cut our RC1 release on Tuesday as well. So seems like a busy day on Tuesday. And also we have another deadline on Thursday next week regarding the release notes complete, because it's, of course, was expected after RC1 was cut, so we can get all the release notes from the changes in between. And that's major milestones. I do want to give an update on the release sim. We have the release sim topic ready, but I'm still working with Tim Bannister on the detailed design. I do want to share it like when the design is ready, but it looks like it might be as early as the coming Monday. So I'm sorry for not sharing it earlier. And I'm not sure if, spoiler alert, I'm not sure if everyone wants to know the release sim now. I definitely can share it briefly without the detailed design. So I'll share it now and maybe tomorrow. And if Monday I could have like the design picture, I'll just paste it in the meeting notes maybe. So the current release theme I currently think about is the combiner, which actually comes from the transformer. If people familiar with, I'll just maybe paste the picture here. Yeah, so when I think about the release theme, I think about the combiner, which could refer to the Kubernetes being built by merging the power of hundreds of contributors across the global, or like Kubernetes itself, like made of multiple components, which all contribute to enhance the power of Kubernetes. Especially like for this release, we got like 15 alpha features being tracked, which I think is a great sign of the growing power of Kubernetes. And also, I do want to take this chance to thank everyone in the Kubernetes 1.25 release team. I feel like the release will definitely not as smooth as it is, like if without any of you. And I do think like each of us could be a separate transformer together build up the combiner. So that's how the idea came from. And also like, I'll be honest, the idea initially was inspired by my son, which transformer is his favorite. So I do want to share further on the theme after the design is ready. But yeah, but maybe that will be next week, hopefully. And I'm not sure if anyone has any questions. I'll share it again, like in following meetings. I know like people not joining all the meetings, so I'll try to continuously share it, like try to at least like for the following burnout meetings as well. Thank you everyone, and that's my updates. Any question? If no, we don't have the SIG scalability update today. And any topic people wanted to mention before I end the recording? If no, I'll just end the recording.